Here's another curated recipe from Mon Dessert, Cappuccino Crème Brûlées. Made with gorgeous coffee creme topped with charred soft meringue, perfect for a quick yet impressive treat. Don't forget to add on cappuccino cups and a blowtorch. Alternatively, you can use oven-proof ramekins and pop the meringue under the grill. Preheat the oven to 140 degrees Celsius. Take a mug and open the coffee sachet, pour on 250 ml of boiling water and leave to brew. Take a large bowl and pour in 50 ml of the cream. Add the custard powder and 2 sachets of sugar, whisking until a smooth paste. Add in an egg yolk. Remember to keep your egg whites aside. Heat the remaining cream in a saucepan and pour in the coffee, including the bag. Let this infuse for 5 minutes. Then squeeze and discard the bag. Pour the contents of the saucepan into the custard mix. Then pour this back into the saucepan and whisk until thick on a medium heat. Divide the creme into 4 cappuccino cups equally. If you have not purchased the Mon Dessert oven-proof glass cups, you could use ramekins. Stand the cups in a roasting tin and pour hot water into the tin until it comes halfway up the size of the cups. Bake for 10 minutes, then remove the cups from the roasting tin and leave to cool. This dessert can be served hot or cold. Just before serving, take the last sachet of caster sugar and egg white and whisk to a stiff meringue. Ideally use an electric whisk until you get stiff peaks. Spoon the meringue on top of the cooled coffee creme so it looks like frothy milk. Blowtorch the meringue and serve. Alternatively, you could place the brulees under the grill. Enjoy!